Hello everyone, today I'm gonna be making ricotta pancakes and I will start with the eggs. Okay, will be the eggs. I'll add the ricotta now. And this is almond flour. And here it's cashew milk. Everything together. A little bit of baking powder. And we'll mix. Okay, so now I'm gonna add a quarter of a cup regular flour. And I'm gonna start frying them. I'll turn the stove on and I'm gonna brush the pan here, the pan with oil. You can use any kind of oil, so just brush the pan. So we'll wait until it's nice and hot. Okay, I'll start putting the mixture now. These they take a little longer than the regular pancakes because you know it's got almond flour in it. Okay, now nice color. Just put it down because I really don't want to burn them. So on this you can put maple syrup on top. And some strawberries. Actually, you can put any kind of fruit. Some icing sugar. They're so delicious. So I've done it many times. They're delicious. These are done, and I'm just gonna put them in this plate, and I will cut up strawberries, and I will be right back. And I'm gonna add the maple syrup. You don't have to. You can just have them with honey. It's up to you. This is the way I like them. Just mix them. Okay, I can add some there too. A little bit of icing sugar. And that's mint, by the way. Goes very good with these pancakes. So now, I'm gonna try them. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Until next time, ciao for now.